In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send a ping message on your company's communication platform. Whether you're familiar with instant messaging or new to this particular interface, we'll break down the process step by step to ensure you're comfortably navigating through it. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started by directing our attention to the top navigation bar on your screen. This is where you usually find options for navigating the different sections of your platform. Now, what you want to do next is locate the speech bubble icon, symbolized by a chat icon, typically positioned in the top right corner, just by your profile picture. This icon is your gateway to communicate effectively with your team members. Clicking this speech bubble will open what is known as your Hey and Pings panel. Think of this panel as your centralized hub for all your direct messages and group pings. It's where you'll see incoming notifications for your conversations, helping you stay updated with your ongoing communications. Once you're within the panel, you'll want to look for an option labeled Pings. Clicking on Pings will reveal a list of your recent one-on-one or group communication threads. In this section, you'll see all your ongoing conversations neatly organized for easy access. Now, you might want to start a new conversation. For this, look for the option that says New Ping and click on it. At this stage, we're going to decide who you want to ping. Start typing the name of the teammate you wish to send a message to. As you type, the system will suggest names from your contacts. This feature helps speed up the process by letting you pick the right person without needing to remember exact spellings or search manually. If you're planning on sending a group ping, you can add multiple names here, ensuring you've included everyone you wish to communicate with in the group conversation. Once you've selected your recipient or recipients, it's time to get your message across. Move to the chat box, which is now open and ready for your input. In this space, go ahead and type your message. Whether it's a quick note or an important update, simply enter your text here. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, you can hit enter on your keyboard or, if you prefer, click on the send button. And just like that, your ping has been sent, reaching the recipients almost instantaneously. Sending a ping message is straightforward and allows you to stay connected with your team effortlessly. Whether for individual or group communication, utilizing this tool can greatly enhance your productivity and streamline your interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made pinging second nature for you. Happy communicating!